Hi, my name is Mohan Raj. I recently completed Masters in Data Science program at GUVI in the W22 batch. I came from non-technical background with 2 years of experience in manufacturing field. At the start of the program, I was so afraid and scared to do it because I don't know single line of coding or whatsoever. But the mentors are very friendly and easy to approach. They each explain each and every concept and programming from the scratch, even for the beginner to easily understand. And the task and assignments they have given, it is most challenging as each other. It helped me a lot to understand the concept even better. To those who want to join in GUVI to improve their knowledge and enter into the technical and IT field, GUVI is a great place, and the data science program is very well designed. The syllabus are very fit for the current requirements to the jobs. So I wish you very well to for those who joining at GUVI, and thank you all. Good luck.